To all of you, especially to our President and Administrator, Ms. Gracia A. Rosalinas, our school principal, Ms. May A. Rosalinas, our guest speaker, an alumnus of the Años Dei School System Incorporated, Mr. Alni Gab Jabin Kasakop, incoming school head, Dr. Leticia Andor, teachers, students, parents, and guests. My heartfelt gratitude goes to all the people in this institute who have been responsible for making us, my peers and I, become independent learners. You instill in us discipline, values, and all the essential learnings to make us prepare and able to cope with the challenges that will come our way in the near future. My deepest gratitude goes to my parents who have worked so hard for my sister and me to obtain good quality education. Good education is a ticket to a bright future. I offer to them the honors I have received today as my appreciation for their best efforts, guidance, and love showered continuously upon me. Salamat, tatay, nanay. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. To other people in my life, Tita Ching, Tita Jane, and Lola Ama, and to my teachers, Ma'am Ange, Ma'am Roan, Sir Genesis, Ma'am Fe, Sir Kilben, Ma'am Ellen, and Ma'am Lian, I thank you. You have helped me rise up from a little boy willing to learn to a young independent learner. Your invaluable teaching will serve as my compass as I continue to navigate my journey towards the fulfillment of my dream. That is to become a pilot someday. And to all my classmates, thank you. You have added meaning and happiness to my young life. I consider you as people who have made my stay at Años Dei School memorable and meaningful. Let not one of us be left behind. We will, all together, journey towards the fulfillment of our dreams. Once again, thank you.